Hi guys, my name is Zakwan Patel, and first of all, welcome to the video. I appreciate that you are here and you are watching this video. So in this video, we are going to create a logo for one of my project, and the fun part is we are going to create it in just 3 hours. I'm going to cap myself that I don't have to spend more than 3 hours on the logo. But before that, I wanted to give disclaimer that I'm slightly sick, so ignore my voice and my face too. But let's back to the video, and I'm going to share all the process which I follow when I try to create logo, and that will be a fun. And actually, let's start with the process. I will sharing my process. And when I try to create a logo, then firstly I look for is a keyword around the business. Wow. And whatever keyword I find around the business, then after I take a notebook and try to create icons of those keywords, and then after I go to the internet and find all the competitors which business have, and then I try to understand their logo and their psychology behind those logos, and then after I decide what kind of logo I'm gonna make, and basically what type of logo I'm going to make, and then after I start my sketching and I start to create my designs. So that's the basic process I follow, and let's do till that, and then I will talk to you. So hi guys, it's almost 1 hour and I also done all the three things that I basically list all the keywords, then I try to create icons for those keywords, and I also research about competitors. So that's all which we have done done till now, and we almost use 45 minutes to do that. I also wanted some more research about competitors, but we have 3 hours time gap, so yeah, time limit, so that's why I'm just stopping here. And my next step is just to start free scratching, because the main motive behind this icon designs and stuff, so when you are designing those all the stuff, some of icons which I know from straightforward that I'm not going to use that icon, but I still uh, I still draw it, or just see lots of icon while I was searching for these icons. So we already have some kind of designs in our mind. So now I will start free scratching. So I will meet you once I done some scratchings. Hi guys, it's 1 hour and 45 minutes past, and I also done sketching. I'm not particularly very satisfied with it, but we have time limit, so I think that's enough time. I think we need 1 hour and 15 minutes at least to convert those sketching into Illustrator, and then also we might need some changes, because we are not particularly satisfied with some designs. So we will change it on the go on Illustrator. But right now I can't use Illustrator because my one video is rendering, so I will do it tomorrow. But for now I'm showing you some sketches, and then we will continue on Illustrator tomorrow. And we have 1 hour and 15 minutes left on our bag to complete logo design in 3 hours. So so that's all. So hi guys, here is some sketches which I drawn. You can see here. So those are the sketches. I haven't 100% satisfied with the sketches, but we have time limit, so we have to respect our time. So that's all for sketching, and we are going to continue tomorrow. Here is the video which is rendering. So uh, it shows 7 hour left, so of course it's not gonna done today. And hi guys, welcome again. So yesterday we left with sketching, and we have to convert those sketches into illustration, so we can see like is it compatible or not. And actually spend 1 hour. I don't know why I spent 1 hour in this designs, but 1 hour very quickly passed, and I really like to have half hour more in this process, but because we already committed to create or select logo in 3 hours, so I have to follow I have to follow it. So I basically ended up with choosing this five, and I have to choose one of these five. And the main reason I choose this five is these three all include this one or this one include itself logos of one of my business model. But yesterday I was thinking about some pivoting, so when I include icons in the logo, then it hard to pivot afterward. So that's why I'm morely looking towards this one and this one, and I'm interested in this one a lot. So let me quickly create presentation for this one, a very quick presentation. It won't take much time, and then I will see you. So guys, I'm back and I done with presentation, a very quick presentation. It takes 10 to 15 minutes. But here's the thing, here is the first logo which we selected, but I noticed something when we are zooming down. uh, it is not recognizable, so I just increase gap between those our abstract shapes, and with increased gap I just get along. And here is a single color double color logo, and also single color double color logo with its typo also. And actually I end up with making presentation for one another logo too, which is our first logo into the five way which we selected. So I ended up with making a presentation for this one too, and I think it's looking promising. And more likely I will be choosing this one. So let's see, and I think that's a video. I hope you liked it, and that's all. So I think that's all for the video, guys. And I know I'm sick, I'm a little bit sick, so video isn't that much great quality, but I think next video will be up to date, so nothing to worry. And here's the thing I wanted to share, that first of all, why I'm not taking decision today, because once we work on something, then sometimes we just attempt to like it anyway, because because it just because we spend time on it. So that's why I am bypassing my decision to tomorrow. I'm going to take decision tomorrow, and that's the basic psychology. And also one thing I wanted to tell, that if you practicing is so important, because I am making logo after a while, and I see rootness in my process. I you know I see rootness in my thinking capability or designing capability. So that's why practicing is very important, very important. I wasn't able to think or create things very quickly when I was doing it regularly. I'm much quicker and stuff. So practicing is really important. And if you wanted to give some tips and advice to me, then I'm open to it. Uh, you can give me some advice in comment section. And I think that's all for the video. I hope you liked it. I'm Zakwan Patel signing off.